Phytochemical composition, toxicity and effects of Sphaenostylis marginata aqueous root extract on oxygen consumption rate in Oreochromis niloticus fingerlings, a comprehensive study. This important article is authored by the following scientists. Fish has always been an important part of the human diet due to its natural availability and nutritional value. With the advent of population growth, the consumer demand for fish has exponentially increased. To meet increasing demand, new methods such as netting, spearfishing, angling, and trapping were developed in Africa for catching fish. In established modern fishing fleets, these methods are well regulated to avoid overfishing as well as consideration for sustainability and environmental impact. Sphaenostylis marginata is a plant in the family Fabaceae and native to many parts of Africa. It is used as a wild vegetable, in folk medicine, as a fetish plant, food additive, and for harvesting fish. Small-scale fishermen in selected parts of Zambia use the crushed roots of this plant to harvest fish for consumption. Published data suggest that phytochemicals present in fish toxins and the lethal concentration have a major role to play in the ability of fish to utilize dissolved oxygen. Phytochemical screening and lethal concentration, LC50, of fish toxins are the initial tests required to discover their bioactive profile and short-term poisoning potential. To determine the effects of S. marginata on dissolved oxygen consumption rate in Oreochromis niloticus fingerlings, an interventional approach was used to determine the effects of different concentrations of the aqueous root extract of S. marginata on dissolved oxygen consumption rate, DOCR, in Oreochromis niloticus fingerlings. The fresh root of S. marginata was collected from the Muchinga escarpment in the Mapika district of Zambia, while the crude stem methanol extract of the positive control Albizia versicolor was collected from the University of Zambia's biology department. The studied plant was examined, identified, extracted, and concentrated using the Yamato DC401/801 NeoCool freeze dryer. Phytochemical screening was carried out, and toxicity studies were performed to establish the LC50. Dissolved oxygen was measured using a calibrated 86031AZ waterproof IP67 combo water quality tester for O. niloticus fingerlings in the presence of S. marginata and the positive control. Dissolved oxygen results were used to calculate dissolved oxygen consumption rates. Comparisons of dissolved oxygen consumption rate results between the study plant and the positive control were made using a two-sample t-test for unequal variances in IBM SPSS Statistics version 20. Analysis of variance, ANOVA, of temperature, salinity, and pH for both plants was performed. P-values less than 0.05 were considered statistically significant. The least significant difference, LSD, was used as a post hoc test to determine where the differences lie in statistically significant results. Phytochemical screening of S. marginata revealed the presence of alkaloids, saponins, sterols, flavonoids, tannins, and glycosides. From experimental results, 200 mg per liter of S. marginata was required to cause mortality in 50% of O. niloticus in 3 hours, LC 1950. Calculations from the arithmetic method of Kerber showed the LC50 of 210 mg per liter, while graphical approximations using Rupees statistical software estimated a lethal concentration of 221.6 mg per liter at plus or minus 15.4 standard error, with lower and upper limits of 186.1 and 257.2, respectively. Fingerlings' mortality increased with the increase in concentration of the extract, accompanied by induced behavioral changes like rapid swimming, gasping for oxygen, vertical swimming, and loss of balance. The study plant affected the ability of O. niloticus fingerlings to utilize dissolved oxygen in a concentration-dependent response, and the mean dissolved oxygen consumption rate of S. marginata was significantly lower than the positive control A. versicolor, minus 0.7075 milligrams per liter per hour, and minus 0.2675 milligrams per liter per hour, respectively. Both plant did not affect the solution parameters pH, temperature, and salinity. In conclusion, the root extract of S. marginata affects the ability of O. niloticus fingerlings to utilize dissolved oxygen with a characteristic concentration-dependent response. The plant does not affect pH, temperature, and salinity. S. marginata contains the phytochemicals tannins, saponins, sterols, flavonoids, alkaloids, and glycosides, highlighting its potential for exploitation as a cholesterol-lowering, anti-tumor, antimicrobial, promoting wound healing, and anti-diabetic. Introduction. As fish farming becomes more important to meet the growing demand for food, harmful fishing practices like using poisonous plants are still common in some areas. One such plant, Sphaenostylis marginata, is often used to kill fish more easily. This study focuses on how the poison from this plant affects Nile tilapia, a commonly farmed fish. We looked at the plant's chemical makeup, how toxic it is, and how it affects the fish's ability to breathe underwater by measuring how much oxygen they use. When fish are exposed to such toxins, their ability to use oxygen drops, affecting their health, growth, and survival. These toxins may also remain in the fish, posing risks to humans who eat them. Understanding the effects of this plant can help inform safer fishing practices, protect fish populations, and reduce health risks to people, while also supporting efforts to keep fishing sustainable and environmentally friendly. Conclusions. The root extract of S. marginata affects the ability of O. niloticus fingerlings to utilize dissolved oxygen with a characteristic concentration-dependent response. The plant does not affect pH, temperature, and salinity. S. marginata contains the phytochemicals tannins, saponins, sterols, flavonoids, alkaloids, and glycosides, highlighting its potential for exploitation as a cholesterol-lowering, anti-tumor, antimicrobial, promoting wound healing, and anti-diabetic. A concentration of 183 milligrams per liter of S. marginata is required to cause mortality in 50% of O. niloticus in 3 hours, LC50, with characteristic changes in fish behavior exhibited by rapid swimming, gasping for oxygen, vertical swimming, and loss of balance. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.